OPPO is set to launch the fine mid-range OPPO K12 Plus will be launched on October 12th. The OPPO K12 Plus will come in two color options, Basalt Black and Snow Peak White. The handset may come with an IP54 rated build. It features a 6.7-inch AMOLED display that produces an FHD Plus resolution with 120 Hz refresh rate. It will feature an in-screen fingerprint sensor for security. The listing indicates that a 2.4 GHz octa-core chip powers the OPPO K12 Plus. Its Geekbench listing has already revealed that it features the Snapdragon 7 Gen 3 with 8GB/12 GB RAM variants and 256 GB/512 GB storage. Like Android 14, which will likely feature ColorOS 14 on top. It packs a 50MP main cam and 8MP ultrawide and a 16MP selfie shooter. One highlight of the smartphone would be its massive 6,400 mAh battery with 80W charging. It's available at a starting price of 1,799 Chinese yuan in China. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.